This is a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana, Adams and Allen, and the following counties in Ohio, Paulding and Van Wert. Strong thunderstorms will impact southeastern Allen, northeastern Adams, western Paulding and Van Wert counties through 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a cluster of strong thunderstorms near Decatur, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty wind could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Van Wert, Decatur, Delphos, Paulding, Antwerp, Monroeville, Payne, Convoy, Ohio City, Middlebury, Middle Point, Dixon, Grover Hill, Wilshire, Scott, Haviland, Wren, Lottie, Venedocia, and Broughton. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Now here is the